Kemasukan 5 bola selama kompetisi Liga Sepak Bola Indonesia BRI bergulir. PSM Makassar berbenah diri. Dalam sesi latihan, lini belakang pasukan Ramang ini jadi titik fokus evaluasi tim. Zulkifli Syukur dan kawan-kawannya digenjot khusus agar lawan tak mudah bobol gawang PSM di kompetisi selanjutnya.
Okay. We won the games every time. We scored the good, but we have the big problem in defending. We are giving every time like present to opponent to score the goal. Actually, opponents didn't make us, didn't outplay us. Every time we give the goal away by our mistakes. We have big problem in the line of four, and we have to fix these things. Yeah, this is like common mistake. Going to 1-1 play. Nobody stop mistakes. The mistakes become bigger and bigger from each player. Nobody stopping. Everybody making worse and worse.
Evacuum!